A goat in our class? It's the letter G. Goat. G is for goat. Jump like a goat. Go, goat, go. The goat is going crazy. We need G words to stop it. Goat. G is for goat. G, goat. Jump like a goat. Grapes. G is for grapes. G, grapes. Roll like grapes. Grapes. G is for grapes. G, grapes. Whoa! Gorilla. G is for gorilla. G, gorilla. Gorilla. G is for gorilla. G, gorilla. Gift. G is for gift. G, gift. G is for gift. G, gift. Green. G is for green. G, green. G is for green. G, green. Find something green.
Excellent, kids! Now, let's trace the letter G. Ready?
Let's start with big letter G. That's uppercase G. Ready? Pull back around. Pull up and across in. Good job, kids! Now let's write the small letter G. We call this lowercase g. Pull back around, up, and pull down left. Fantastic work, kids! G is for goat. G is for giraffe. G is for gorilla. G is for goose. G is for grape.
You're so smart, kids! Now let's make the letter G sound. Repeat after me. G says G, G. G says G, G, G.
Excellent! Let's sing it together. Ready?
G, G, G. G, G, G. Girl, girl. G, G, G. G, G, G. G, G, G. Girl, girl. G, G, G.
Let's say the G words again. Goat, grapes, gorilla, gift, green. Clap for yourself.
Good job, kids! Tap the red button now. Ask a grown-up to subscribe. Next time, letter H. H is for hat. See you next time.